Hello magical friends, I'm your friend and law of attraction coach Magical Mohit, and today I'm going to share with you 3 powerful steps to clear your exams or interview. A lot of people have been asking, especially the younger generation people, sir, I want to clear this interview. How should I use law of attraction? Or I want to clear my exam, like government exam or 12th standard exam or any competitive exam. How to use law of attraction to clear your exams or clear your interviews and get 100% success. So today in this video I'm going to share with you 3 powerful steps to clear your exams, or if you're going out for a job interview, it will help you to clear your job interview as well. So guys, watch this video till the end, note down the 3 steps and follow it from today, and you will get 100% results, because I used this 3-step formula to clear my exams when I was in college, and also this 3-step formula helped me to get my dream job at Apple. So if I can manifest it, you can too manifest it as well. Let's start with the first step. Okay, the first step is very interesting. The first step is to know what exactly you want. So if you're going to give an exam, any competitive exam, or if you're going to give your college exam or school exam, you should know exactly what you want. So when I was in my final year college, I made a vision board. I made my desire that I am going to get 80% in the final year of engineering in the last semester. So I had this very specific goal that I want to get 80%. So I've written down in present tense that I'm very happy and grateful that I have got 80% in the final semester of engineering. Okay. Now what I did, the first step is to visualize the final result. So what I used to do is I made this booklet kind of thing where I had all the mark sheets of first semester, second semester, third semester, fourth semester, fifth and sixth and seventh. What I did was I took a 7th semester mark sheet. When a 7th semester mark sheet, I made some changes and I wrote 8th semester. I wrote 80%. I wrote my name. Everything was same, and I used to hold that every day. I used to see my mark sheet that Mohit Tehliani 8th semester I have received 80%, and then I used to close my eyes for just 5 minutes every day and felt so happy and positive and visualized that yes, I have received 80% in my final year, and I'm celebrating. I'm throwing a party to my friends. I'm telling everyone, like my family members, my relatives, my cousins, everyone, I'm sharing this good news that I have got 80% in the final year of engineering, and I'm giving a huge party to my friends, and we are celebrating together in my hometown, and every single small thing I used to visualize daily for just 5 minutes. So this is the first step. This is the first powerful practice that I want you guys to do. You can do this for the job as well, not just clearing your exam, but if you want to clear any job interview, do this and follow this process. It will help you a lot. Okay. The second thing, the second very powerful process is self-motivation practice. So this is something that every human being needs. So if there is like 1 month left or 2 months left for your exams, I know there are lots of ups and downs in our life. Someday you will be very excited, you will be very motivated, and someday you will be very negative or low, or you will feel that lack of confidence, right? So there are a lot of ups and downs. Someday you are very positive, someday you are very negative. So it is very important to understand to stay motivated all the time. And I feel one of the best practices to do to stay motivated all the time is self-motivation practice. What I do is I look myself in the mirror every single day for just 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and I appreciate myself. I say, Mohit, you are looking super duper awesome. Mohit, you are a genius. Mohit, you can easily get 80% in your exam. Mohit, you are amazing student. Mohit, you deserve the best of everything. Mohit, you are going to be rich and successful in life. So looking yourself in the mirror and appreciating yourself, motivating yourself like this is going to boost your confidence. This is going to make you so happy and positive. And do this every day in the morning and you will see magical results. So guys, this is the second activity that I want you guys to do. Make a note of it. आप ये practice करोगे तो आपको 100% result मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. And third thing is, this is something that I want to clear out. लोग बोलते हैं सर हम सिर्फ सोचेंगे तो हम एग्जाम क्लियर कर देंगे. No. This third and the most important point is you need to enjoy your studies. If you are preparing for a job interview, enjoy the studies. If you are preparing for your exams, enjoy your studies. बहुत लोग टेंशन लेके स्ट्रेस लेके पढ़ाई करते हैं, इस वजह से उनके मार्क्स नहीं आते हैं. बट अगर आप खुशी खुशी पढ़ो, इफ़ यू एन्जॉय योर स्टडीज, don't just study to get marks, study to learn something new every single day. That is the most important thing. If you are going to learn something new, then you are going to remember it for the rest of your life. If you are enjoying something, it is going to be more fun and exciting, right? अगर आप बहुत टेंशन स्ट्रेस लेके ये सोच के अगर फेल हो जाओ या मार्क्स नहीं आए तो if you are studying like this, then you will never be able to remember all the things that you have learned while studying. तो एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे सबसे ज़्यादा लोग यही बोलते हैं कि सर मैंने सब कुछ पढ़ा है लेकिन मेरे को एंड टाइम पे याद ही नहीं आता बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्ट्रेस, टेंशन, एंग्जाइटी. सो द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस, द थर्ड एंड द फाइनल थिंग दैट यू नीड टू डू इज एन्जॉय योर स्टडीज. हैव फन विथ इट. आप आराम से पढ़ो, एन्जॉय करते करते पढ़ो. जो चीज़ में आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है वो सब्जेक्ट्स पहले पढ़ो. सो एवरीवन हैज़ डिफरेंट स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस. So plan your day in such a way that you have fun, you enjoy your studies, and take some breaks in between. Do something that refreshes your mind. Okay, but I believe that if you follow this 3-step process, मैंने तो ये तीनों step follow करके I got 100% results. I got 80% in my final semester. I got my dream job at Apple. If you follow this, you will also crack your exams and you will also crack your interviews. So follow these 3 steps and share with me the good news whenever you get the results. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much and have a magical day. Thank you so much.